Yellow. This is the punch that makes them do the chicken dance. Musayev does the pendulum step, feeling for his entry by sliding in then out, while he paws his jab. Noting that his opponent Outlaw is parrying the jab, Musayev makes a read. As he steps in against the tendency, he feints the jab, pulls it back, and he throws a powerful overhand. This hits temple. The temple is an excellent shot placement. It often discombobulates the opponent when struck hard, precise, and clean, which is what we see here. Straight up, loses his footing. Outlaw, he doesn't know he's out of it, but his feet leave him. He starts stumbling. This is where Musayev circles out and fires a powerful overhand, finishing the fight.
It's over. Dropping Outlaw to fake Musayev, making an emphatic statement.
Blame Keith Peters for that. Sydney Outlaw in this position. It doesn't look like much, but it hit him in the temple, and we know that can take your equilibrium away. And that hand, look at how he